So in the world of architectural and interior photography, the debate between natural light and those who use artificial light to supplement the lighting in the space is nothing new, and I think has just become more prevalent over the years as compositing with Photoshop has really come into play. I thought I would share a couple of images from a recent shoot that I did where we had to make the decision whether or not we were going to supplement the shot with artificial light or shoot it as is. This space had no natural light coming into the space, so it was completely lit by the lighting design within the interior. And that comes with good and bad things. This lighting design in this case was really well done. Most of the fixtures were concealed or high design fixtures. The issue is that a lot of times the lighting design can cast shadows and in places that are sort of unwanted, and in person you don't really react to that. We don't think about it as we experience the space, but when we're looking at a two-dimensional image, it has a tendency to really draw your attention to those shadow lines and create new lines that we wouldn't register in person. So we made the decision on site to artificially light it pretty much completely with our lights, and then filter in a little bit of the lighting designer's lights in post-production. This can be a little controversial. Of course, if we were shooting for a lighting company, for example, showing off their lighting is the most important thing. But when we're shooting to showcase the design and the form of the design and the elements within a space, sometimes I think it can be most advantageous to create our own light, soften shadows, and then just give subtle hints to where the lighting is coming from within the space as it was designed. So I welcome any feedback, positive or negative, as far as my techniques for doing this. I don't know if there's a right or wrong way in terms of these types of spaces. Commercial spaces inherently are pretty difficult spaces to shoot, and this one was no different.